It's easy to click around and make it control your Tynker project. Use a When Actor Clicked event handler, and underneath it, place the code that you want your actor to do. Then, when you run your program, you decide when you want your actor to run the code by clicking on it. You can add this same block to multiple actors, and then click on the actors in any order you want. You can also use the When Screen Clicked block to control your project by clicking anywhere on the screen. It can control a single actor or change the background. Especially useful when creating stories or greeting cards.